Hello, welcome to the Spoon Fork Heart Kitchen. สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Siri. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy curry rice with the chicken or ข้าวหมกไก่แบบง่าย First, we're going to marinate our chicken. Alright, I will do easy way today. So I use the Ziploc bag. Alright, I will put all the chicken I'm going to use today. I use the 4 drumstick. For the chicken, if you want more, you can use more. I use 4 drumstick and I use the 4 thigh. Alright, I put all inside my Ziploc bag. Alright, I'm gonna take off my glove and go wash my hand and we come back for the next step. Okay, I'm going to add 2.5 tablespoons of curry powder. I have 2.5 tablespoons the curry powder and now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon the turmeric powder. Okay, and salt 1 teaspoon. Okay, and next is going to be 3-4 cups of the evaporated milk. I put it down. Okay, and I'm going to add that right to the back. Right. Wow. Let all the curry powder and all the seasoning as marinate together. Okay, let me close the back and then I'm gonna massage all the chicken. Okay, and now I'm going to have to make sure everything is mixed well together. So I'm gonna just mix like this. Okay, this is an easy version, the curry rice that I make for the recipe because I get the request from our subscriber to make this recipe. If you want to see the other version of the curry rice, you can go to the episode 147 and that will show you another version of this recipe. Okay, I have to double the bag because I popped the hole on the first one, so now I double the bag. I bought a different bag. Okay, so now I'm going to let it marinate about an hour and we come back. Okay, while we're waiting for our chicken marinade. Okay, so now I'm going to have 2 cups of the water and I'm gonna add saffron, about 1 teaspoon of saffron flour, okay, into the water. Alright, give in the mix and let them soak into the water. Let the flour soak into the water, and also now I already clean the rice. I use the 2 cups the rice and I already clean. Now I'm going to make the sauce. Okay, I already cleaned the rice. I already put the flour in the water. So 1 hour you can do a lot of things. Now sauce. Okay, so the sauce I'm going to use the 2 Thai chili. For the chili, if you don't like spicy, you don't have to add on it. But I like a little bit spicy, so I add on 2 Thai chili. And I'm going to add some fresh mint. Okay. I'm going to add about a half a cup fresh mint. Okay, so fresh mint go in. Okay, half a cup of mint. Okay, and now I'm going to add some cilantro. I'm just gonna add a little bit of cilantro. I'm gonna use just the leaf and the cilantro stem. I really like cilantro, how it smell and they mix together with the mint and make this sauce. Easy recipe, but it will be very good too. Okay, and next I'm going to add 4 tablespoons vinegar. Okay, and I'm gonna thin it up this sauce with another 4 tablespoons water. Alright, and I'm going to add a little bit of salt, about 1 teaspoon salt. And for the salt, you can taste. If you need more, you can add some more. So, and next I'm going to add the 4 tablespoons the sweet chili sauce. This, they're coming so fast. Okay, 1. This is an easy version, so I adding the sweet chili sauce into this sauce. 3. Okay, and 4. And now I'm gonna blend everything together. Okay, now I'm going to mix everything well together. I think this is done, but I'm going to taste. I want to make sure the flavor that I really like, so I'm gonna give it a taste. Yes, It's sweet, spicy, and a little salty, and refreshing for mint and cilantro. Okay, now we're going to go to the next step. Alright, being 1 hour, my chicken being marinated. So now in the low heat, I'm going to put the 3 tablespoons or cooking oil. This cooking oil be frying shallot earlier, so it will smell very good. Okay, 3 tablespoons the cooking oil, and gonna be the half shallot. Okay, thinly sliced half shallot going. Okay, give an extra smell really good for the recipe. Okay, all right, give them the good mix. Okay, in the low heat because the shallot is getting burned very easy. So next, I'm going to add my chicken quickly because the shallot is getting burned very easy. So, oop. Okay. I'm just gonna sear the chicken. I'm not gonna cook all the way through. Just sear them. Okay, I put the skin down. Okay. Alright, now I put all the chicken here, and then now I'm gonna turn up the heat. Okay, because I need the skin cooked, so I'm gonna turn up the heat to be a little high, and don't throw away this extra sauce from the marinade. Look at this chicken. Look at the skin start turning the color. Okay. And now I'm going to add some butter. Okay, I don't want to add the butter earlier because I don't want to burn the butter, so I'm going to add the butter at this point, and I'm going to wait until the butter is all melt, and we're gonna done with the chicken. Alright, I want to make sure all my butter is melted and all cover the chicken. Okay, I want more color, so I'm gonna continue to cook them a little more. Wow, when you cook the curry inside your house, it smells really good actually, the curry powder. Okay, I'm going to remove some pieces is already seared and getting me brown color already, so I'm going to remove them. So okay. This is about like not even halfway cooked, but I just want the skin to getting brown. Alright, the drumstick not brown like the way I like it, so I'm gonna let the drumstick cook a little bit more, another couple minutes. Okay, I turn off the stove, and now my chicken go to the way that I like. They brown on the skin, so now I turn off the stove. Now we're going to go to the next step. Okay, now the next step, we're going to cook rice and chicken together. Alright, I have my pot here. Okay, please do not throw away the butter and oil that you cook the chicken. Now we're gonna use this butter and oil to cook our rice. Okay, I'm gonna put in everything. Be careful the burn piece is not adding too much. Okay. Okay, and next I'm going to add 2 tomatoes. I cut into the big chunk, 2 tomatoes. Yep. Wow. Alright, and 1 stick cinnamon and 2 bay leaves. Okay, give this everything the good mix. Alright. Wow. I'm just going to cook the tomato down with all the butter and the cinnamon. Okay, I give this tomato cook about like 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, and next I'm gonna add our clean rice. So add the rice in here. Alright, give them the good mix. Okay, and remember the sauce that we saved earlier, the one with the we marinated the chicken. Now time to add them to the rice. Yep, add everything. I try to squeeze. I try to make sure I put them all into the rice. Alright, after after the curry cover all rice, now I'm going to add the water. Okay, the water we mix with the saffron flour. All right, I use 2 cups, so 2 cup rice and then 2 cup the water. Okay, and now I'm going to add the chicken back in here to cook together with the rice. Okay, as on top. Some recipe add onto the bottom. My last recipe I added the chicken into the bottom, but sometimes on the end it's very difficult to get the chicken to the top and then make all the skin and the chicken get all separate. So now I find out I add on the top is better for me. Okay, and of course the leftover never going to throw away this butter and the oil from the chicken. Alright, so now I'm going to bring everything to the boil. Alright, and now our rice and the chicken come to the boil. I'm gonna give it the cover and lowering the heat to the simmer. And cover this about 18 to 20 minutes, and we come back and check this together. Okay, be 20 minutes that we've been cooking our rice, so let's check. Oh, hot. Look at this. Wow. Okay, now I think our rice is done. Okay, let me check. Wow, being 20 minutes our chicken and rice cooked together. Oh, and look at this. Now the whole house smells really good. Okay, now time to serve. Alright, now we done. I already plate and I serving on the side with the fresh tomato, some cucumber and a crispy onion, and of course the mint sauce. Okay, and I ready to try the plate. Alright, and now I'm gonna grab a little pieces of chicken on the side here. Look how they come out so easy. Okay, they're so moist and easy, and of course I'm gonna go to the middle. Oh my god, not even have a chance to put my sauce yet. Whoa, look at this. Okay, wow, it smell by itself is already so good. The crispy onion really change everything. It makes it so better, and you can refresh it with the fresh vegetable. Okay, now everybody cannot wait to eat chicken curry with the rice. Now everybody cannot wait, so I'm gonna finish this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sure you will like this recipe if you like the curry. Okay, thank you so much for watching again. If you like this video, if you like this recipe, please give me a thumb up, subscribe, and you will see me for the next recipe. Thank you.